What are you gonna do? Now you know it's gonna hurt, right? Okay. That's not a front flip. That's a back flip. Okay, do it again. Ooh, buddy. It's just gonna be broke everywhere. Stay out of your trail. Stay off to the side. Snowstorm of 2019, February 8th, 9th. Come on, it's gonna take you a couple times to get it going. It's too deep up there. Do it again. Come on. Do it again. That's it. You're the definition of insanity. All right, I gotta go help. It's gonna get better and better. Stay away from that steel. Yeah, do something with that probably. Somebody's gonna hit that. I put a board in front of it. At least it'll kick them away from it. All right, back up to the top one more time. All the way, bro, with the Disney Channel flow. Yeah. Be afraid. Be very, very afraid. Yeah, that's all we need now is some wind. And shit's gonna go nuts. Stay in the trail. Yeah, get her again. Hoo-wee. Look at that shit. Ooh-wee. The fuckers are catching a lot of wind now. Shaky pudding. Come on, shaky pudding. Yeah, you're snowboarding all right. Come on. If you're gonna do it, do it. I'm about had it with this shot. All right. Y'all have a good day.